Nothing looks like fresh buko.
Or?
No, the lizard, the diagram.
Ah, ito. Ano tong design? Ano daw to? Palaka?
Butiki.
Ah, yeah, lizard.
It's a cool looking lizard, man.
Butiki at
top of Talipanan Falls. A little bit of a misdirection today, a lot of hiking, but here we are. And there they are up top. How deep is this?
meron daw bato dyan eh. Pupunta ako.
Panda cocoa, homemade with real coconut. We got a 5 peso coffee from the machine.
What? You want one?
No,
When you say short, I thought.
no. It came from the machine and it's better than Uptown coffee, right? It's better than Google coffee.
Yeah, Google's vending machines coffee.
Yeah, twirling around and stuff. Swing your hair more.
Ah, okay. I want to join Lago.
Iniwanan lahat sabi. Hindi mo lalap. Gano'n kayo. Hindi daw po gano'n. Hindi mo lalap.
Starlight, star bright. First star I see tonight. Oh yeah. Trying to outshine the stars there, baby. That's right, take it off. God damn. The thing I like about the Casa Maria restaurant here on White Beach at night is that it kind of looks like it's like, I don't know, one of those restaurants built into the side of like Greek islands. Beachfrog, fish and chips, lasagna and salad, tanuge, and I don't know what the hell you got here.
Madras.
Madras, Indian, Madras beef curry.
What's this? Oil?
So is it better just to shoot them?
Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw ng buwan.
Now the beach in the morning in Puerto Galera is always so awesome, and this time of year, I should say, as of the changes, it's not very crowded.
It's a group.
Dito tayo, dito lang. Lupo muna kayo.
Saying goodbye to Puerto Galera. Alright, leaving Puerto, 9:30 in the morning. It is blazing. The sun is just super hot.
Batangas, Anilaw.
Just a bit of a queue to get on the boat. Well, it was a hell of a trip, as it always is in Puerto Galera. Loving it. Amazingly hot. It's like summertime coming on here. And of all of us, this weekend, the grand champion, Nikki D. Outwit, outlast. What's the other one? Survive, baby. She's the ultimate survivor.
I don't want to leave.
Bye, thank you for the amazing trip.
Yeah, it was a good time, man. The guys come on the boat, you know, they try to sell you water, peanuts, whatever. And the one guy's walking through, he's got handfuls of beer. Yeah, canned beer. It's like 9:30 in the morning. He's like, you want? I'm like, no. We're in Batangasport on the bus. It's an empty bus, which basically means we're probably going to wait for it to fill up before it leaves. We left Puerto Galera at 9:45. It's now 11:35. So time check. See how long it takes to get back to Manila.
Yeah, depends traffic.
Yeah, so I guess we met the shuttle at 9, so we kind of commuting as of 9 a.m. 2.5 hours to get to Batangasport. Probably at least a half an hour before this thing fills up. We won't pull out till noon.